What if Majin Buu were to fuse with a god? Well, let's find out, shall we? Tonight, we're gonna draw Grand Priest Angel Buu. All credit for this episode goes out to Unrealette Gaming. And me. I'm a god when it comes to artistry, you know. Grand Priest Angel Buu is a super god fusion of Super Buu and the Grand Minister. And of course, now it seems like a good time to draw this guy. And I'm lucky I found this last page. I've really got to get more of this stuff. Ooh. I know. I'll use the Super Dragon Balls to create more of them. So I can expand and stretch my paper in any way I want. Here's Super Buu's head. After this, there's one of his robes. And here is his halo sticking out of his back. Now here's the fingers. Now I guess we draw this mark here on his chest. Can you guys give me a minute? Just gotta do something real quick. There. Here's the halo sticking out of his back. It looks almost like Murno's crest. Now we draw his pants. Yep. That depends. When's your interview?
3 o'clock.
Oh. Well, Mexican sounds good.
You can stay, or you can have them pick you up.
Well, I don't want to interrupt you for your special event.
You're not interrupting me.
I don't know when it'll show up. Can you guys give me a minute, please? Alright, there he is. That's how you draw Angelic Boo. I mean, that's how you draw Angelic Boo. Angelic Boo, that's what I meant to say. Anyway, that's all I got for now. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel. Sorry, when I was talking with my mom and my dad, I was saying Angelic Boo wrong. But forget I ever said that. Anyways, that's how you draw Grand Priest Angel Boo. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later, and may the Force be with you. Coming soon, I will draw Star Wars.